My name is Aidan Brattoli. I go to Kent State University and I'm a computer engineering major. I'm a software engineering intern. I'm basically troubleshooting different parts of the STS, whether it be through programming or some smaller hardware changes I might be making. The software team is very friendly and they're always willing to help you learn something that will just help you a little bit, but it might help you in the long term to better understand what you're working on. I think my favorite project has been working on an offline waveform viewer because it's really easy to see the impact of your work directly when it's just on a program right in front of you and you're able to see the changes you just made. What surprised me the most about working here is how involved we are in every step of the process, from manufacturing, and every single thing I work on is a custom-made product, and how ground up everything that we make is. The internship has definitely opened my eyes to different fields I could be working in. I think it's definitely helped me understand what I want to do for a living.